Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to save GIFs on X. So let's go to X application, and if you want to save a GIF on X, basically to your private section, then first of all let me find any kind of GIF on X. Let it be this one, and under the post that includes GIF, you want to find this bookmark section, and if it turns blue, that indicates that you have saved it to your bookmarks, which you can find if you go back to your home page. And now you have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and in this side menu you can see different sections, and you want to go to bookmarks section specifically, and here is the GIF that I have saved. But if you want to save GIF to your gallery, then it depends. The process depends on if you have your X premium subscription or not. So you have to tap this share icon under the post, and here from the list of options you will see option download video. Press that, and that GIF will appear in your gallery as a video. But if you don't have your X subscription, do not worry. You can still you can still save GIF to your gallery, but we will need to use third-party tool. You have to copy link to this X post, and now let's go to browser, and please find Twitter video downloader and go to open this website. Now here you want to paste link that you have copied, and let's press download button. Press download original video. Please be careful with those advertisements. Also use reputable websites, Twitter video downloaders, and I feel like this website is pretty reliable, so you can use that. Let me wait until I can proceed. Okay, I will close that, and finally I want to tap download button, and at the bottom side of your screen you should go to your downloads, and finally this is the GIF. It downloads it by default to a files application, and if you want to save it to your gallery, all you need to do is tap this share icon in the bottom right and select save video option. And now let's go to photos, and here is the GIF that I have saved from X. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.